Walk on to your own beat. Keep them on their toes. Keep them on their toes. Business out of sight. Make them do the left if you're gonna hang right. If the pipe hot, don't let them see your hand. Make them gotta know what they wouldn't understand. When they is a little show, walk on to your own beat. And keep them on their toes. If they never go, you ought to stay. Cause you can't learn what you ain't got to change. Just listen to your heart. Listen to the rain. Listen to whatever it is that keeps you sane. Now I don't have to tell you, you already know. Walk on to your own beat. Keep them on their toes. Keep them on their toes. Business out of sight.
Warning for people with sensitive ears.
The pot's hot, don't let them see your hand. Make them gotta know what they wouldn't understand. The best thing you can do when they're ignorant soul, walk on to your own beat and keep them on their toes. I will have to tell you, come on in, walk on to your own beat and keep them on their toes.
Now do this.
Let's see who these people are.
I
guess shout out to this girl.
Way out and lay it out there for old songs on half a make. I'll make half sense to put some heart back on the forefront. Don't let this conscious live, can't be in his mouth.